Hello, my English learner. I hope you all are good and doing well, and you all are developing yourself, your knowledge day by day. And today I'm here just because I want to share a very important thing, which is very important for all of you. Definitely, it's very important, and yeah, you will understand in a very easy way if you want to learn English and if you want to speak in English. So, I'm going to talk about RSWL. Yeah, reading, speaking, learning, and writing. It's a very important thing. It's a very important four pillars we have. The reading skill, so the first one, that is reading skill. The second one, that is our speaking skill. And the third one, that is our learning, not learning, listening skill. And the fourth one, that is our writing skill. So the first one, that is reading skill, is the most important thing which we have to know about it. If you want to learn something, you have to read any novel, any magazine. And if you are able to read something, and your comprehension skill is good, and day by day if you are going to continuously putting your effort, so your comprehension skill is obviously going good. And after that, speaking is the most important thing, because without speaking, we are not able to do anything. We are not able to adapt anything, any language, and whatever you want to do. And the third one, that is our listening skill. It's a very important thing, which is like a very good and important thing if you want to learn something. So first, you have to be as a good listener. Whatever the speaker want to say in a class, like many other platform, you can find any speaker. If you are a good listener, so it's a very beneficial for you. And the last one, that is a writing skill. Yeah, writing skill is also most important thing, and very 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 lovely thing, which you can like develop your knowledge day by day while writing something. You can develop your English also.